Listen carefully to the passage. Try to understand the main idea and details. If needed, pause the video and listen again. You can replay the passage as many times as you want before moving on to the questions.
Lisa wakes up at 7 a.m. every morning. She turns off her alarm, stretches, and gets out of bed. First, she goes to the bathroom to brush her teeth and take a warm shower. It helps her feel fresh and ready for the day. After getting dressed, Lisa goes to the kitchen. She usually eats a simple breakfast, toast with butter and a cup of tea. Sometimes, she eats fruit or cereal instead. She always eats something before leaving the house. By 8 a.m., Lisa is ready to go to work. She takes her bag, wears her shoes, and leaves the house. She walks to the bus stop near her street. Lisa enjoys her morning routine because it helps her start the day with a good mood.
Now, it's time for the quiz. Answer the following 5 questions based on what you just heard. Write down your answers and check how many you got right. Don't forget to share your score in the comments.